Yo guys, what's up? Here today, crypto.com. Looking at the crypto. Looks like we're about even on the day, maybe slightly up. But let's go take a look at one of my favorites. It's Polygon, Manic. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to increase my stake here again. I'm going to get another $20 worth or so. So I make the minimum. I want to get 33 Matic. 5 extra bonus points. And as soon as they redeem here, you can see I'll be getting those 5 diamonds. And we should have enough for another box. Another mystery box. So let's see what the crypto box is going to be today. Okay guys, place your bets down below. Don't cheat. What am I getting? Gold, silver, platinum, silver. How many crow? 2? 2.7. Alright, with crow going down, it's worth about 17-18 cents right now. That seems like a reasonable amount. I'm going to withdraw it into my crypto wallet for Crow, just so it doesn't mysteriously disappear somehow, some way. Now we go back to Matic. We see we have another tranche of 250 Matic. Now, you know what that means, right? That means we can go stake for another round of Matic. So here is my plan. Going down to the crypto earn function. Guys, you're getting a lot of value out of this video today. It's like a 3-for-1. And we're going to do Polygon Matic. We're going to do 3 months. Okay, I want to agree to all their terms. And I'm going to say, okay, 250 is the minimum, but I'm going to do 255. Oh yeah. And get that sweet, sweet passive income. Alright, so I've accomplished my goal here of 3 tranches of Polygon of 250. Perfect. So they should be expiring one after the other, and I'll just keep renewing them, and hopefully this interest will just compound. See, the older one is at 10%. It expires in about a week, and when I restake it, I can restake at 11%. Oh yeah. Think about that. Yeah, okay, I'm not a baller. Okay, fine. It's just a little bit of chump change here, but gives you guys the tools you need to invest in crypto and make real money if you got it. Like it's the old adage, takes money to make money, or the new internet meme, you become a crypto millionaire. Well, the meme says you first need to be a crypto billionaire. And it's gone. Okay, anyway. I think we are near a bottom here. Alright, let's go back to Bitcoin. Over the last week, we've seen some pretty wild gyrations. We're in a range between 28 and 32. Now, the more sporadic it gets, the higher the probability we're going to break out higher, or lower, hopefully not. Because the next support level is like 20k. Ugh, that's ugly. But if we bust above 32, 40 is the next real ceiling. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that'll be happening here soon. And Bitcoin will be sailing on through to 100k in no time flat. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.